What's going on, guys, man? Welcome back to another video, man. Before we start this video, man, I want to give a huge shout out to my boy Michael, man. You know what I'm saying? Go check out his YouTube channel. He's doing a $100 giveaway, man. I know you guys can use that $100, right? You know what I'm saying? He's doing a giveaway. I think it ends in October, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna leave his link to his YouTube channel in the description below, and I'm gonna put a picture of it at the end of the video, man. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button on his channel. It's real easy to enter in the giveaway, man. You know what I'm saying? Watch the video. It's the latest video he posted, and it's gonna tell you he's gonna just pretty much show you how you can win the giveaway. You know what I'm saying? But we hit 600 subscribers, bro. We hit 600 subscribers, man. We actually had 601 subscribers, man. I just want to give a huge shout out to everybody that supported me, bro. You know what I'm saying? It means a lot. You know what I'm saying? All the good and the bad comments, bro. I love it all, man. Appreciate you guys for riding with me, man. We only going to the top. You know what I'm saying? We only hit it to the top. All right, man. Let's continue with this video. All right, y'all, man. We're in the garage, man. You know what I'm saying? So, look, long story short, man. I was driving home, right, from work in the 240. And, shit, excuse me. I decided, it was wet outside. It was raining a little bit. So, you know me, I decided to do some donuts and shit like that, right? Clutch kick, boom. Next thing you know, the drive shafts, I start get drive shaft wobble like badly, right? Keep in mind, I had it before, like sometimes I would take off, like going in first gear and shit, you'll feel a little drive shaft wobble. But this time, once I was doing a donut, bro, it got worse, bro, you know what I'm saying? And like to the point where I would be driving and it like normally slow and it'd just be slapping against the chassis, bro. So anyway, I decide to look under the car and notice that the bushing was bad, right? Let me show you guys. Hold on, before I show you, right? It's more than just the bushing. Let me just show you. Bro, check this shit out. This is the part that goes into the transmission, right? In the back of the transmission. Let me know if you guys see anything weird. You know what I'm saying? The bushing's toasted. You know what I'm saying? We know that. But once I got the whole drive shaft off, I noticed this piece right here is broken too. Damn, man. It's really supposed to look like this. You know what I'm saying? Right? But it looks like this. I don't know how that shit broke off, bro. Honestly, I don't. But the homie has one at his house, man. Luckily he does. So we're about to go. I just gotta wait till you get off work, but we're about to go pick that shit up, switch it. I got the bushing right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna give you guys a little secret, man. You know what I'm saying? So when I go to look like on AutoZone or any auto parts store around here for that bushing in particular, you cannot find it. I couldn't find it. Maybe, you know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure you can order it online or whatever, but knowing me, I don't want to wait, bro. I want my shit fast, right? This is what you can do. This is the solution to that. Let me open this box up. This is a solution right here. Boom, right? I'm finna give you guys a part number. This bushing fits the S13, I don't know about S14, I don't know if it's the same, but S13 drive shaft coupler, I think that's what they call it. This bushing right here fits. This is a part number, check this out. You know what I'm saying? 935403. You know what I'm saying? It's the Dorman brand. Now this bushing is for a BMW. I don't know what type of BMW, but it's for BMW. So when you type it in, it's gonna say BMW. Boom, it should fit. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? It says made in Germany. Hold on, can you focus? Can you focus? There you go, see, made in Germany, some BMW shit. So for the meantime, I'm just gonna take these bolts out and see if it really does fit. I'm not gonna cap to you guys. I seen a video, bro. I seen one video on YouTube and the dude told me, you know, to get this, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's get this shit off, man, and examine this fucked up bushing. Okay, so this is the old one. Got it off. I should be wearing my damn gloves, but yeah, bro, this shit is toasted. This probably been on the car since '93, no cap. But this is a new one. They're fairly identical. You know what I'm saying? They line up, but there's a little trick. So it's not gonna line up 100%, but I'm gonna show you guys a little trick that we can do whenever we get this new piece. So let's head to the homie's house and grab that new piece. Let me, you know what I'm saying? Look at that, y'all. That's crazy, bro. Let me know down in the comments if this ever happened to any of you guys, bro, because this is unbelievable. All right, we're back at the crib. Shout out to my boy Thomas. You know what I'm saying? Hooked me up with the part. These are the difference. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So let's get this one cleaned up. And yeah, get this bushing on. I'm finna show you guys how to put this bushing on real quick.
The next day.
All right, what's good, guys, man? I ain't gonna lie to you guys, bro. No cap. I think I fucked up the new bushing. You know what I'm saying? Because the bolts that comes with you know, that's already on the drop shaft piece, it didn't fit. So we tried our best to like drill it out. We even took the bushing out. I know it's stupid, right? Damaged it. It's done. Shout out to the homie Seb, man. He had an extra yoke slip or whatever you want to call this piece, and the bushing on it is in good condition. You know what I'm saying? So he donated it to me, gave it to me. You know what I'm saying? So we just gonna slap it on. And yeah, so anyway, long story short, we put the new, with the BMW bushing, we put it on, and it still did it. You know what I'm saying? Now I think you can still use that bushing, but I guess the way I did it was just completely wrong. Like it wasn't even on there, like it didn't look right. So it still like kind of wobbled. But anyway, finna slap this OEM one on and see if it fixes it. All right, guys, the drive shaft is in. You know what I'm saying? Finna test it out, man. You know what I'm saying? Only way to test it out is to drive it, right? Get on it. Hopefully the shit fixes it, bro. Because I do plan on going one-piece drive shaft, but a lot of drive shafts. What are you talking about? What? But nah, I don't want to do it right now if I don't have to. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's test this shit out, and we're gonna see if it works. All right, guys, we back at the crib, man. I'm so glad that we got that fucking drive shaft shit fixed now. I can drive the S13 now. You know what I'm saying? I did not forget about that burnout video, bro. We hit 600 subscribers, bro. I appreciate everyone that subscribed. All the new subscribers, welcome. You know what I'm saying? The video is coming. It's coming soon. You know what I'm saying? Probably gonna be after this video. You know what I'm saying? It's just, I'm just gonna hit y'all with it. You know what I mean? But yeah, the first bushing, that BMW bushing, it probably can work, but I guess the bolts I had on it was just wrong, bro. Like I don't know, I was just rushing. I'm not gonna lie to you. So if you do decide to go with that bushing, make sure you get the right hardware that fits. You know what I mean? So if you're gonna buy that, because the stock hardware that comes with the bushings on the car, on the S13 already, it does not fit. So maybe if you have like a drill or something that you can like drill out the little bushing, the little, I don't know what you call it, but if you can drill out the thing, the little bushing holes, we're just gonna call it bushing holes. If you can drill that out to make the hole a little bit bigger, that way the stock bolts can fit through, then you'll be solid, bro. But big shout out to the homie Seb. You know what I'm saying? He had that piece, man. Once again, go to the homie's channel. I'm going to leave it in the description below. Michael, MC. He's doing a $100 giveaway, man. You know what I'm saying? And, yeah, go support the homie. Appreciate you guys for tuning in this video. Hopefully this helps someone out there. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.